won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. If I stand all alone, all the shadows hide colors of my heart. Blue for the tears, black for the night. There's the stars in the skies. Don't mean nothing to you, they are mirrors. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke this old heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. If I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. Bumabata ka. Bumabata ako? Fetus na ako. Sad to belong. Yung magaganda yung kanta, no? Tapos gusto mo malungkot, ha? There's a lover's moon tonight. Ate Pearly, sorry hindi ako nakadalo kahapon. Oo. Mag-ingat kayo palagi. Ingat ka. Probably one of the coming months, I will see you in Hong Kong pag nagawi ako dyan. Nagpupunta man ako dyan. Mag-ingat ka. Ha? Oo. Kumalma ka sa buhay. At yun lang, kumalma ka lang. Maliban doon, okay ka naman. Ha? Ayaw mo kasing kumalma. Huh? Ayaw mo kumalma. Hmm? Mag-ingat ka. Okay. Pwede na ako umalis. Anong last song natin? Father and son. Ang hirap yan. Dalawang tao yan. How can I try to explain when I do it turns away? Cause it's always been the same old story. From the moment I could talk, I was ordered to listen. Now there's a way, and I know that I have to go. Tingnan natin kung kaya. I know I have to go. Di ba ganun yun? Alam ko pa. It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy, you're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. I was once like you are now, and I know that it's not easy to be calm when you found something's going on. Take your time, think a lot, think of everything you've got, but you will still be here tomorrow, but your dreams may not. How can I try to explain when I do I turn away again? It's always been the same old story. From the moment I could talk, I was ordered to listen. Now there's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go. Anong lasong natin na buo? Makalis na ako. Anong Mick? Ano ang pinakasagad na pwedeng ilagay dyan? Yung 24 terabyte, dalawa na ba yun o dalawang 24 terabyte yun? Gusto ko yung i-request mo. Kantayin natin. Hindi kita i-shout out kasi yung pangalan mo ay bad. So, palitan mo na yan. Di maganda yan. Sinabi ko sa'yo last time yan, di ba? Said I love you and said goodbye. I'm not talking about moving in. Don't wanna change your life. There's a warm wind blowing the stars out. I'd really love to see you tonight. Hindi pa rin kita mabatiin, wag ka mag-flood. Ayoko nung name mo. No. No, palitan mo yung pangalan mo. Para may influensya kita. Dalawang 24 terabyte, 60,000 isa meet. Mahal naman yan. Ibig mong sabihin sa akin, 60,000, 120,000 yung dalawa. Plus yung system, so 145,000 buong system. Question, pwede bang hindi magkaparehas yung dalawang bay? Pwede ba sila magkaiba ng storage capacity? Tapos ayan, search mo ako nung price list at saka options dun sa storage options kung anong price tong iba. Mahal naman. It took one look and forever laid out in front of me. One smile, then I died, only to be revived by you. There I was, thought I had everything figured out. Supposed to show how much I know, but the way life plays out, I take one step away. 60K isa. Mahal naman guys. Anyways, balik ko lang itong gitara natin. How'd you like me now? I'm not talking about mabablock ka, promise. Mag-flood ka. Mamablock ka. Hindi kita isa shoutout. Mamablock ka. Fair warning ha. Promise. Baguhin mo yung name mo dyan sa TikTok. Promise. Baguhin mo na yan. That's an influence I want you to get from me. That's so negative. Pag negative yung mga thoughts mo, negative ang pupuntahan ng buhay mo. So, baguhin mo na yan. Next question. Pwede bang isang bay lang muna lagyan ko, tapos mag-iipon lang ako, tapos tsaka ko lalagyan yung kabila? Pwede ba yon? Mahal pala. $12 terabyte. Marami na ba ang 12 terabyte, guys? Kaya lang siya dalawa para if ever mag-fail yung isa, naka-auto backup doon ang pangalawang. Okay. Sige, Meet. Tapos check mo nga, Meet, kung saan available na branch yan. At kung pwedeng gamitan ng, ng credit card. Kasi credit card ko yan eh. Siguro, ang bibilin ko dyan, Meet, ay yung 12 terabyte dalawa. So, 30,000. 31,000 yan, di ba? So, 62,000 dalawa plus 25. 87,000, no? 87,000. Meron na akong 24 terabyte. Anyways, how are you guys? Makikipagkwento mo na ako sa inyo. Habang inuubos ko habang kausap ko si Amit. clean ka na tignan. Well, that's not the goal. The goal is mataba dapat tignan. Eh, lately kasi nag-workout ako ng ng kettlebell. Saan tayo sa birthday mo po, Jackson? Wala. We don't celebrate my birthdays. We celebrate the birthday of my mom. Because we have the same day. September 8 kayo parehas. So, mag-hi ka sa mga nanonood.
Okay ka?
Mag-hi ka sa mga nanonood.
Hello?
Hello? Ayan.
Hello?
Ayan. Mag-hi ka sa mga nanonood.
Asan ka?
Nasa bahay.
Hi!
Ayan, naririnig ka lang nila, hindi ka nakikita.
Sa bahay ka lang?
Paalis ako, magpupunta ako ng Peace Express dapat ngayon eh. Kami ni Ann. Pupunta dapat ako ng Peace Express. Peace Express. Kami ni Amit, kaya lang umulan eh. Hindi makalis si Amit eh, kaya baka ako na lang. Diretso na ako, Jim.
Ate?
Putol-putol ka, wala kang signal sa Japan. Hello?
Talaga?
Napuputol. Ang ate mo. Let's call her. Hello?
Hello?
Ayan, oo. Mag-hi ka ulit sa kanila.
Ayan. Hi!
Pupunta ako ng
Ano na?
Pupunta ako ng PC Express dapat.
Talaga?
Dahil magkikita kami ni Amit, eh biglang umulan.
Malakas ulan dyan?
Humina na, pero lakas kanina. Bibili kami storage dapat.
Okay.
Kasi lahat ng taong kilala ko sa paligid ko, puno ang mga device.
Nasa labas ako?
Puno yung storage mo. Kailangan. Wala kang mapaglagyan ng storage, di ba?
Ano na?
Wala ka na mapaglagyan ng storage.
Walang ano?
Storage.
Wala na nga eh.
O kaya bibili dapat ako ng cloud base. Eh, kaya lang umulan eh. Pero baka hindi muna dahil... Hello? Hello?
Napuputol?
O sige na, nag-drive ka ba?
Putol lang. Hindi, nakapark naman ako. Sige, bawayan lang.
O mag-ingat. Sige, bye-bye. Okay, sige, meet. Noted ko na to. Basta ang kwenta ko na sa mga to, meet, no? 85, no? 87,000 na mga ganon. Noted ko na to. Kung wala kang ginagawa ngayon, meet, gawa mo akong pang thumbnail. Ay, 3 lang. Para meron akong pampalitan, ha? Huwag ka nang umalis. Diyan ka na lang. Gawa mo akong thumbnail kung kaya mo ngayon, ha? Thank you. Si Amit ang pinapagawa ko ng thumbnail, yung layout, no, yung template pala, yung template. Oh. Tapos yung ginagamit ko. Pero ako na nag-edit every night. Template lang. Kumbaga ayaw ko na isipin yung part na yan. Ilang oras tulog mo? Well, I slept at around 5 in the morning kanina. Nakauwi ako mapaliwanag na kanina eh. Gising ako ng 12:30. So, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 hours din ako today, which is long. I was supposed to go to my mom kanina. Tinawagan ko nanay ko. Sabi niya na, umuulat. Natamad ako lumabas. Yun. Last night, I waved goodbye. Now it seems years. I'm back in the city when nothing is clear. Thoughts of you. Last night, I waved goodbye. Now it seems years in the city. Bye guys! Maraming salamat. Holding you, bringing us back, and tell me see you later tonight, ha? Mag-ano lang ako. Pupunta ng mall, mag-gym and whatnot. I love you all, guys. Bye-bye.